Hey guys, Tony here. So a quick recap of GameStop. It actually went down about 30% after the news on revenue not being beaten, and also just a big bunch of everybody thought a short squeeze was coming. It actually retested the 1390 area, and it's shooting back up. I do think it might consolidate between here, maybe another couple days. I do not think that it's going to be going down though. It did create lower highs, lower high, lower high, and it did create the higher high here, higher high here. So as far as GameStop, I'm still bullish. Buying it right here is actually a really good price range, where you can be up 30% within the next month. So as far as GameStop, still bullish. I really doubt that it's going to fall anything lower than the 1367 range here, because it is creating a higher low, so, or actually lower high. Sorry, I'm on the treadmill right now, but yeah, GameStop, I do think it's still a good buy. Still pretty bullish. There's no reason for me to not be, but everybody trade with their own money. I would potentially buy GameStop calls maybe 2-3 months out, or just buy shares and hold it.